Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this YEZRO console screen TV dock for the Nintendo Switch. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful, I'll put a link to this on Amazon in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So this package got a little beat up in shipping. I'm guessing the product inside's fine. Okay, so we have an instruction manual. This came with an HDMI cable. And here we have the dock. So if we look on here, it says it has a USB port, video interface switching button, USB 3.0 port, video interface port, Type-C power supply port, USB port, and the switch port. And then we have product applications here, function description, it says how to use indoor, how to use outdoor, the packing list, and the multi-angle bracket. So a neat feature of this dock is that you can angle it here. Looks like it has 3 detents here. So you can put it in the 3 detents to change the angle. So the nice thing about this dock over the one that comes with the Nintendo Switch is that you can place your Switch in here, the correct direction. Thought it wasn't fitting. It's upside down. You can place your Switch in here and you can play it while it's in the dock. With the regular Switch docking station, it's covered on the front so you can't play it while it's docked. So I like this configuration. I keep my Switch on my desk, so sometimes I want to play it on the dock if I'm doing something on my computer, and other times I'll actually switch it so I can play it on the monitor itself. So let's take a little bit closer look at it. I forgot to peel these feet off. These are non-slip feet. So that'll help keep it slip against surfaces. And here's a close-up of the button, and then here are the ports. So we have the USB 2.0 ports on the sides, and then we have the HDMI and the USB 3.0 on the back. So these ports are easier to access than the ports in the Switch dock that you get with your Switch. And here's a close-up of the detents here. You can see the little thing that clips into them. And then it has vents here for the electronics inside of the dock. So this came with the HDMI cable. It didn't come with the power cable. You use the one that came with your Switch. So plug that in there. Before I do that, I'll hook up my HDMI cable. So this is connected to a monitor. And then I'll plug in power, like so. Now I can dock this. You can see it has power. So I'll hit the home button on my Switch. And this showed up on my monitor here. So let me adjust my camera. Okay, I propped the Switch up near the monitor. So I'll do this again. Okay, so we have the game up here. Now if I want to switch it to the Switch, I'll hold down the button on the bottom of this dock for 2 seconds. So now there's a little bit of glare here, but you can see now it's playing on the Switch. So I can switch back and forth between the 2 modes there. So I'll do this again here. And you can see that this blue light is on when it's broadcasting to the TV. And when it's playing on the dock itself, it's not. So you don't have to worry about that blue light being a distraction. And of course the neat feature of this is that we can tilt it. So here's a side profile view, and there's tilt angle 1, tilt angle 2, and tilt angle 3. So I think that's a neat feature of this dock. If you had this sitting on the floor in front of you, you could have it all the way down at this angle, and then if you had it on a desk or something, you could tip it up a little bit depending on where you're sitting. And then you can have the best viewing angle of your Switch. So that's a neat little dock. I like that you can tilt this for the optimum viewing angle. I know sometimes if you have something like this that isn't tiltable, you may feel inclined to stick something under the back of it to raise it up. Well, this is a little more secure to just be able to tilt it. I like that it's simple too. It just has one button on it, so you hold that down for 2 seconds to switch your source. And it has all the ports on it, so you're not missing out on the ports from the original dock. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.